Dad comes home today. Hello.
Your dad works hard.
Maybe tomorrow.
Emma waits for me.
Saturday is special day. Yata sila mata.
I want to go home.
You're eating.
Your dad loves you.
I know, Grandma.
She is sleeping now. Good night, Emma.
Dad promised today he will try his best. Maybe he forgot. He did not forget.
I cannot come now.
Next time, maybe. Hello, Emma.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Park.
Hello, Mr. Park. Emma waits every day.
I work very hard.
This is for Dad. Ow. Come to my play.
I will try, Emma. I must be there.
I see Grandma. I see. Grandma! Where is he? I need him here.
I must go now. Please wait for me.
He did not come.
I not come.
I know, Grandma.
What have I done? I will fix this.
No more waiting.
You are early.
I want to see Emma.
She's in there.
Emma! I brought you flowers.
Love it. Thank you, Dad.
Draw something for me. What should I draw?
It is our family.
It is beautiful. Time for sleep now?
Book.
Read the story, please.
Ah,
Yeah,
she needs her father.
I will be here always. Hey. I leave at 5 now. Understood, boss.
You came home. I always come now. It flies so high.
You fly it well.
Dabby, Emma.
You look happy, Emma.
My dad walks me home. I made this for you.
I love it, Emma.
This is for Emma.
Oh,
This is for you.
it is beautiful.
It is beautiful. We need to talk.
About what, Dad?
About what, Dad?
I was sort of there, Yankee. I can snare you. I was not there for you.
I forgive you, Dad.
Thank you, Emma.
This is the best dinner. Oh,
With my best girl.
you two are just like I remember.
My drawing is home.
And I am home too.
I love you, Emma.
I love you too, Dad.
I love you too, Dad. I did it, Dad.
You are a chef.
Dad is here today. I am always here.
I am always here.
You won a trophy.
Ah,
Ah,
my dad was there.
ah.
Our family is whole.
Because we are together. I love you, Dad.
I love you too, always.